Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do this smoky purple eye. It is just this really fun, um, like creative, dramatic look that I will be doing today. And I hope that you all enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and if you have any comments, if you'd like me to do any other instructional videos or any looks that you would like to see me do, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I also have other videos that I will put in the description, or links in the description, where I did my foundation, so just a little tutorial on doing a base, and then also I have a little quick no fuss video that I do my brows. So if you guys want to check those out, they will be in the description, links in the description box below. Please stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy. To get started on this smoky purple eye look today, I am going to be using my beloved My Minerals palette today, and I will be using, to apply my first coat, my medium Real Techniques medium shadow brush. I have already done my base, so I've got my foundation, my bronzer, and blush and highlighter on, and so we will be focusing on the eyes in this video. And what I will start out with is this color here, which is Soft Velvet Purple. And with my medium shadow brush, go ahead and begin working that all over my lid. So this is a quite subtle purple at the moment, but we will be building this up. This is just serving as my base, and then I will be using a much darker color to smoke this out. This is my first time trying this look, so just decided to shoot a video and take you guys along with me on this experiment. So got a good base going here. It's really a pretty color. With the smoky eye look, I'm going to want to keep the inner corner of my eye fairly bright, so I'm going to be working more so on the outer corners to smoke that out, and then under the eye. And we will be getting to that here in just a bit. I will go ahead and start working my base on my other eye here. Now I will be adding this soft dark purple right here from my palette, and using my Essential Crease Brush from Real Techniques to work this into my crease and build up that smoky eye over here in my crease and in the corner of my eye, outer corner of my eye here. That's really pretty. Let's darken that up. Gonna have to take a few applications. I'm just building this up here. Just really working this product into my crease and in the corner of my eye getting that really smoked out and pigmented on the corners of my eye. The great thing about these brushes is working this into the crease. The brush does a lot of the work for you. And now with the same shade, the soft dark purple, I am going to take a shading brush and I'm going to run some of that shade just underneath my eye here. I'm now going to take my Physicians Formula Black Velvet Glide On eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and add some of that to my upper lash line and then underneath my eye as well. I love this product because it's really movable. You can apply it and then smudge it out because it stays put pretty well once it's smudged out, but right after you apply it, it's really easy to blend and smudge that into the corners of your eyes or wherever you want to blend your eyeliner to. Get underneath my eye here as well. I don't have to worry about making it super neat at the moment. Just wanting to get kind of this line going so that I can blend it out. It's not necessary to be super perfect here. Alright, and then next I'm going to use my Real Techniques large smudge brush. I'm just gonna start smudging this out and get it a little smokier. We don't really want any harsh lines. I'm just kind of smudging this out to really get that smoky effect with my eyeliner and blending it with my dark purple shadow here. Okay, I'm going to just take a little bit more and build this up a little bit more. And I kind of wing it out a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and blend again. All right, we're getting some really smoky eye happening here, and I gotta admit, this is definitely not a look that I wear like on a daily basis, but it is definitely fun to create. I'm really liking how it's coming together. I will now go ahead and apply my eyeliner to my other eye. All right, now that I have my eyeliner on and smudged out, I am going to take another eyeliner, and this is in the shade Absolute Brown, and it is from Hippie Chick Cosmetics, and I am going to take this and run this on my lower waterline. I'm also going to put a little bit on my upper waterline as well. Now that I've got my eyeliner all set. I am going to now take a clean deluxe crease brush, also from Real Techniques, and just buff these outer edges out. A little softer lines here toward the outside of my eyes. Just blend it. I'm now going to take the color Silver Bells here from my eyeshadow palette from my Minerals, and going to add some of that little sparkly silver color to the inner corners of my eyes, just to brighten that up a bit, and then it'll help to enhance this look and make it a little bit more dramatic there. A little harder to see it on the camera, but I'm gonna add a little bit more. See if this kind of brightens it up. Brightens it up there. So I wanted to keep that inner corner of my eye lighter, just to kind of help bring my eyes out a bit. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this under, a little bit underneath my eye as well. This is definitely coming together. I really like it. I really do. It's definitely a different look than I'm used to seeing on myself, just because it's so smoky and dramatic, but I really do like it. I really like how it's all come together. And next I will be taking my dome shadow brush here and taking the color Star Luster, one of my favorites, to highlight my brow bone. I'll go ahead and just pop a little bit of that on right up in here, just to tie this all in. Yeah, I really like that. That's really pretty. Go ahead. There we go. Right, now that I got my brow bones highlighted, I am going to go ahead and go in with some of my Physicians Formula Twins Concealer. I will be using this concealer here and popping a little bit of that underneath my eyes, just to take care of any fallout and just really help brighten this eye area, which will also help have my my eyes stand out a little bit more, just sharpen up the edges on my smoky wings that I've got there. And I will be using my Expert concealer brush to just buff that in underneath my eye. Now that my concealer is applied and all underneath my eyes there, I am going to set it with some loose mineral powder in the shade Nude from Hippie Chick Cosmetics. And I will be doing that with my Real Techniques setting brush. Just go ahead and take a little bit of that and set the eye area. So a little bit more on my brush. Get the excess off. Go ahead and apply this underneath the eye, just to help set that concealer and get it to stay put. are. Now that my concealer is set, I am going to go ahead and be adding some mascara. I'm going to be using two mascaras today. I will be using a Simply Black mascara from My Minerals. I'll be applying that first. And then next I will be using my Hippie Chick mascara in black. And that will go just as like a double coat. I kind of use this one from My Minerals as a bit of a primer for my lashes, and then go ahead and add my second coat with my other mascara after. Now that my mascara is on, this is all coming together so nicely. Again, I'm really happy with the way this has turned out. And I will be next doing my brows to finish, well, to almost finish up this look. I will also be adding some lip gloss. So let me go ahead and get my brow brush here. It is a e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush, and I will be doing my brows using this angle brush here on the end. I went ahead and finished my eyebrows off camera, so they're done. And we're getting really close to a completed look here with this smoky purple eye. I will go ahead and add some of my lip gloss here. It is in the shade Pinking of You. It's a nice pretty pink. I'm just going to keep it a little bit light because with such a dramatic dark eye, I just don't want to take away from that effect. So I'm going with a little more kind of neutral, nude-ish lip gloss to complete this look. So I'm going to go ahead and see how this looks here. Look at it. Very nice touch. I like this. Very pretty. Well, there you have it. This is the finished look. I've got my purple smoky eye. I think it turned out really well. I hope everyone that sees this thinks so, and that you like and subscribe if you enjoyed what you see. And this is just a really fun, it could be a party look. I mean, you could really just go out on a Wednesday, you know, whatever you want. It was really fun doing this look, and I went ahead and obviously finished up with my lip gloss, and I just think it really tied everything in together really well. So I really had fun with this look. I hope that you all enjoy it as well. Feel free to leave a comment, and if you'd like to see me do any other looks, that would be great. And I just have a lot of fun, and this is it. So, purple smoky eye, everybody. I hope that you like it and enjoy. Take care. Bye.